Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips and tricks number 18, how to create multi-arrow leader. So as example, I will create a circle. You can create circle like this. And next, if you want to set leader, we can use the mLeader command. You can tap mLeader, press enter, and I will select this circle in the center points, create at this points, and then you can set like into circle for the text, click offset to apply. So if you want to create multi-arrow leader, you can use mLeader edit command, type mLeader edit, press enter, and you can select the reference leader. I will use this leader. Now we can click into another objects to add a row leader. If you done, you can press escape button. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tips and tricks number 18, how to create a multi-arrow leader. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.